Malaria has been one of the leading causes of deaths worldwide. While the deaths have come down considerably, it is still a challenge before medical science. From 8,97,000 in 2000, the death toll came down to 5,77,000 in 2015. It was 5,68,000 in 2019. And in 2020, malaria deaths soared by 10% to an estimated 6,25,000. Estimated deaths dipped slightly in 2021 to 6,19,000. While the world is trying hard to bring down the deaths, a piece of good news emerged from the World Health Organization or WHO recently. We have found a second vaccine for malaria. The first vaccine, RTSS, which was developed by GSK and backed by the WHO, was rolled out almost 2 years ago. After a scientific review by the Strategic Advisory Group of Experts and the Malaria Policy Advisory Group, the WHO recommended use of the R21 matrix M malaria vaccine. It has set the platform for wider rollout of this vaccine next year. The vaccine was developed by the Jenner Institute at Oxford University and the Serum Institute of India with additional support from the European and Developing Countries Clinical Trials Partnership, Wellcome Trust and the European Investment Bank. The R21 matrix M malaria vaccine has been licensed for use in 3 West African nations, which are Ghana, Nigeria and Burkina Faso. It is an easily deployable vaccine and can be manufactured at a mass scale with a modest cost, thus helping save and improve the lives of millions of children and their families. The vaccine completed the 1-year endpoint in the Phase 3 clinical trial, which included 4,800 children across Burkina Faso, Kenya, Mali, and Tanzania. The results of the Phase 3 trial are under peer review before publication. The University of Oxford said the vaccine was well tolerated with a good safety profile. The efficacy of the vaccine over 12 months was 75% at sites with high seasonal malaria transmission and 68% at sites with more perennial transmission using standard age-based administration. As there was some waning efficacy over the first year of follow-up at both seasonal and perennial transmission sites, a booster dose restored efficacy at the seasonal sites with a vaccine efficacy over 18 months of 74%. High vaccine-induced antibody titers were observed in children in the age group of 5 to 17 months, compared with 18 to 36-month-olds. The younger age group showed the highest 12-month vaccine efficacy at both seasonal 79% and standard sites 75%. WHO Chief Tedros A. Ghebreyesus said that the vaccine will become available by mid-2024 and the doses would cost between $2 to $4. The Serum Institute has established a production capacity of 100 million doses annually and the capacity will be doubled over the next 2 years. In 2020, 29 of the 85 malaria endemic countries accounted for 96% of malaria cases. India contributed 1.7% of malaria cases and 1.2% deaths globally.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.
She has ambitions of becoming a brand. Business Standard.